emerging from the mist.
Yeah, so we got the longest drive-in award. We've got the what else we got? We've got the whoever pulls off a daring move. No one will go home empty-handed. Yeah, so cool little gifts for everybody. Little Subaru S gifts. But yeah, so we're air down. We're ready to go. So just as always, just follow me through the holes. Not that I'm the greatest guy in the world. I've just been here before, and I know left side typically is the same. I do tend to grandpa drive through. I don't blast through anything. So yeah. So I mean, just pick your line, have a good time, and looks like we get a little weather to keep it spicy. So yeah. I fold my mirrors in just because it gets tight. Right, this is the tightest section here, and then we'll pass a little trailhead to our right, and then we'll start to get down in, then start to climb, and then get down into the woods. But then we'll come back around, see how we feel, come back around, get back to the trailer.
Here we go. All right, guys, so this is the Bald Mountain Jeep Trail. So as always on Bald Mountain Jeep Trail, you get a little bit of weather, a little bit of fog, and just that ominous feeling, which always makes it more interesting in general. Went ahead and aired down to about 18 pounds just so to give us a little bit easier ride. We got Lou Dog in the back riding shotgun for his first trip. We got Tracy in here for her second trip. She's starting to get the little Mtnroo bug. And so with all that in mind, looking forward to a cool little trip. We've already explored a little bit of the White Rocks area just below the Blue Ridge Parkway. And the guys were really cool and so far, and really enjoyed seeing that kind of place. And it was, we just started to kind of chat. Oh man, cabin rentals. So there's future events to be had, and just making friendships, man. That's what it's all about. And getting out here with a buddy, and not alone, because alone can be at times unsafe. But out here, you always got somebody to lean on or help you out. And if you ain't got one thing, maybe somebody else does. So yeah, you just that's why it is. That's what I feel the brotherhood is all about, is getting out here with people of like minds, and getting from one end to the other together, and not having to lone wolf it through things. And so yeah, so really enjoy the trip. I hope you guys enjoy the trip and enjoy the footage that we're going to try to bring to you. And yeah, stay tuned for some hopefully some good trail riding. All right, over and out. All right, here's our first bit of mud.
Whee! Woo! Little spread.
Yeah. Accessibility. And so they got to come hand in hand. So whoever's taking part of it has to go ahead and take care of it as well. Woo. 9 miles. There's a camp spot.
Is that our camp spot? It is, I think.
Back up. Back on up. Back up and get some speed. Yeah, yeah. Feel yourself kind of, you can feel yourself kind of get in there and start to wiggle around a little bit. Yeah.
Ooh. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta steer mine too. Ah! There he is. There we go.
Okay. You're on.
Oh, I'm on. All right. Hey.
Ow!
Oh yeah, watch your head. Yeah. Good day out here so far. Been wet and wild and not too bumpy, aired down, but we've been taking all the fun routes and kind of getting to do a little three-wheeling and stuff like that, and just having a ball. Really glad we got out here.
You said it's not too bumpy. They're gonna see this footage and think otherwise.
But yeah, I mean, as you can see in here, I got a little rub on the back left. I don't know what that is, and we took a couple hits, so I'll have to get under here tomorrow or the next day, or you know, a few weeks from now, or on trail next time. I'll see what happened this time. Other than that, so far so good. And looks like we're getting a little kiosk here. It's gonna be telling us a little something.
Bald Mountain Jeep Trail.
Yep. So we're getting close to
Warning.
the end.
Leave no trace.
Yeah. Always leave no trace. Video.
Mm-hmm.
Oh look, here comes somebody.
Oh.
I wonder what they'll think to see a.
Good.
That's a forerunner right there.
That's not where you stop.
All right. Well, that's it. Ta-da! Yeah! Yeah! Feel yourself kind of, get in there and start to wiggle around a little bit.